this is a light my wife got on Amazon. Simple LED light, rechargeable. She told me she tried charging it and it's not turning on and off. I'm going to suspect it's a switch, which I'm pretty sure it might be. So let's get it taken apart and see if the battery's charged. That's another big thing. If the battery's not charged, that's the other issue. So I'm going to get a screwdriver, see what we're dealing with. It's probably got a lithium 3.7 volt battery is what it looks like through there, but I'm not sure. Yep. 4 cells, 3.7 volts. 8,000 milliamp, which is good. So that's a high run time. So this thing should last a while. First thing I'm going to do is let's get the meter out and test the voltage. Set my meter at 20 volts. Where you guys can see it. Yeah, you should be able to see it, right? Let's tuck it in. Should be anywhere above 3. If it's fully charged, it should be around 4 volts. Maybe 4.2, I think, fully charged. 4.14. So that's a fully charged battery, which is good. Now, let's put my tool in continuity mode. And here's the switch right here I was talking about. So let's see. I'm banking it's a switch. What does everybody think? So if I get this out, right now it's off. No continuity. Oh. Switch does work. Damn, I would have bet anything it had to do with the switch. Let's try it again so you guys can see it. So nothing. Turn it on. Sure enough, she's working. So it's got full. Switch is good. All right, what's next? Well, it's either here. Let's get my microscope on so we can see exactly what we're dealing with. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this switch out of here. That. Where'd you go, screw? There's the other screw. The third screw is there. All right. Switch is under the microscope. Yeah, let me put a screw in so I can let this hold up. It's hard to do with one hand and recording. What do you guys think the problem is? Make a comment below. See if you can guess it by the end of the video. What can I get? Let's try my. Can I get to hold this up? Do an empty laser box. I really need good clamps. I don't have them. All right, there we go. Now let's focus it. All right. Spot. What I'll do right now, I'll just probe some of the capacitors. Make sure we got no dead ones. That works. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Like I said, this is hard to do through a camera upside down with one hand. Not bad. Not bad. All right, so you know what I'm going to do is I am going to connect the battery and the switch and give it voltage and start checking power points on the board. Boy. Okay, that's all set. All right, switch is on, it's off. I'll get a little bit higher. My little thumb drive. Okay, now I got more of an angle towards me. Clear this up a little bit for TV land. Okay, that's as clear as I'm going to get it. So now I'm going to check the voltages. Okay, they're showing the 4 volts in there. Now let me try the negative. Nothing. That's weird. Oh, hey, look at that. Can you see that pin move? I think I found my problem. Oh, the whole thing shifted. Tell me that's the problem. So if you take a look, this connector, yep, it's off the pins. So, hey, if it works, it was this, technically it wasn't the switch, but it wasn't the switch mechanism. All right, let me try it now. Turn it on. Well, I'm going to solder those first before I go any further, so give me a moment. Oh, see the light go on? Yep, it's when I press down. It is the switch. It's the pins on here. Can I get that on camera? Right there. That's your mechanism. That's your problem. So, where's my flux? Flux is up here. A little flux there and a little flux there. Boy, this is weird doing backwards. Okay, so I'm going to turn pin. You always want a nice shiny silver tip. If you can see that. Nice shiny silver tip. I'm going to touch a little bit of solder to it. Okay, let's see if that was enough. Okay, as you can tell, the pins don't move anymore. Let's see if the problem's fixed. Turn the switch off. Plug it on. And there we go. The light is fixed. So, got the light for on, I think she bought it used on Amazon. She called to complain, sent him a picture, it wasn't working, and they refunded us. So now we got a light for, we got 2 of them actually, but they refunded us both even though the one was broken. So we, in essence, got a light for free, 2 lights for free. Yeah, so I mean, the reality is, got it, I don't know what she paid. I think it was $40 used on Amazon, and they gave us our money back. So I just fixed it, got them for free. I'll take it. You know, I haven't been on, like I said before. Been a little busy summer. I'm running my store, bringing it back from the dead. It's been just not busy. The economy, everything. I want to say it has to be that. People come in the store all the time to tell me how much I love my store, but the bottom line is the sales aren't showing it. But when gas is $5.50 a gallon right now, it gets rough, and that's in the U.S. I hear in other countries it's even worse. So if you can, like and subscribe my videos. As you can tell, I will be making more content like this. I'm starting to free up. I have a lot of stuff to fix. So if you want, I'll actually do a quick video, a snapshot. This is my pile of goods I gotta fix. Yeah, it's quite extensive. In my basement, doing my stuff. My messy workbench. I have all the PlayStations. PlayStation 2s. Yeah, got a lot of stuff I've been fixing, so I've been busy. Yeah, but thank you for watching, and look forward to the next video. Thank you.